This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your VW Golf key fob. First, identify your specific key fob model, as battery types can vary slightly. Most modern VW Golf key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this process much easier and help prevent losing any tiny components. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or seam, usually near the key ring loop or on the side. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly to pry open the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use excessive force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. The goal is to separate the two sections without causing damage. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing upwards. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. This is crucial for proper function. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test your key fob immediately. Check if the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons are working correctly. Your VW Golf key fob should now be fully functional with its new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.